Oh, Miss Cammy is relaxing in the nice breeze. Okay, we have the PETPAWJOY cat hammock here. Let's see what comes inside this box. Ooh. Okay, so the box comes with these two. This should be the arms. We have these two. This wire. It looks like it's 2 wires for each side. It has these two are like this. This one's a special one because it comes like this. And this is the hammock here. And then you get your instructions. Okay, so these little tubes connect right there to connect right here. Okay, when you're putting on your hammock, you have these 2 little holes. You have to pay attention. And this is your hammock here. It has 2 holes here to make sure. You see both sides, it has it on both sides. So you could go ahead and slide it through like a pillowcase. There we go. Let's see. And then it's easy as you click these on. Nice and snug. Okay, it's nice and snug. So let's go to the other side where the holes are. Right here, you see these little things inside the holes. And you're gonna go ahead and grab this, put it through, and you have to twist it and make it tight enough so it can hold your cat. You don't want your cat falling. So make sure you twist really good. These are 2. And these 2, you notice the difference between these. This one has for the wire to connect. This one has only a hose. So this one goes in here. They go on this end. They're gonna go on this wire. And let's have this go. I'm gonna put it right about here. And then these 2 to help keep it afloat. Press it in. Okay, now let's try with my little baby here. Let's see. Oh, there you go, baby. You can lay down now and enjoy the outside. Okay, dear. Oh, that is so cute. So these are good to have on your inside of your window to help them watch the birds. A lot of cats love to be on the window and watch outside. So right now I'm trying it since it is a hot summer day. You don't have to just have it indoors. You can put it outdoors too. Oh, Miss Cammy's laying down in her new hammock. Oh, see, how many paws do you give this? Do we give it 1 paw or 2 paws? We give it 4 paws, huh, Ossie? Because you get to relax all your little paws. As you can see, this is my window. They love to watch here the cars pass by. Miss Cammy is here modeling it. And you can see in my window how many times she jumps on it.